Another test. This doesn't look like a mod. No, this one's definitely not a mod. This one's severely underleveled. And it releveled. Oh, that works. Whoa, look at this. It's a side-mounted button.
All the way over there. Seems like this building got extended because we look $7 spelled way over there.
Alright, loader. This thing does have good starts and stops. It takes forever on the way down though.
Yeah, this building got slightly extended.
The phone, the little phone thing got like taken out. This is elevator P2, so there might be another one somewhere. This is as basic as you can get for a Thyssenkrupp elevator.
I checked for another one in here. Interesting. Just a plain Thyssenkrupp.
Throgs, you would not like this campus. Because it has his least favorite fixture of all time.
What?
Mad BS Moon. Look at that.
Kind of deep.
You can't get out this way though. And then let me get the thing. Okay, that's it. So we were just over there, and now we're going here. This one's the original elevator. Uh-oh. And it's locked. So much for that.